Greetings, ghoulish guests. I'm Dr. Bones, your skeletal guide for better bone health. Tonight, I'll share 5 spine-chilling secrets to keep your bones strong and lively. First, let's talk about calcium. My dear friends, it's the cornerstone. Bones, milk, cheese, and yogurt are fantastic, but if you're vegan, fear not. Almonds? Leafy greens? Yeah. Second, stir up your muscles with some regular exercise and weight-bearing activities like walking, dancing, or lifting weights. Keeps the bones strong, you know? Just don't overdo it, or you'll end up like me. Next, soak up some vitamin D. It helps your body absorb the calcium. Bask in the sunlight for a bit, or consider a supplement, especially during the dark, gloomy winter some months in Vancouver. Don't overlook omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds, also really high in omega-3 fatty acids. Lastly, be aware of bone-busting habits like smoking. Smoking is a no-go, and excessive alcohol drinking should be avoided. Treat your body like a temple, not like a haunted house. Hope those 5 tips help to serve you in creating better bone health. If you want to hear anything from Dr. Bones, hit me up.